It's the early hours. We got some action. Think they ran the stop sign and got caught? It's general maintenance time. Yes, indeed. Gonna do a little maintenance. And what we're gonna maintain? You bet. Yeah, I'm gonna go take the camera, go clean it up. I'm gonna format my card. And I'm gonna just look at my settings over once again. That is my general maintenance. DJI, did you know that when the pop-up screen comes on and you hit record, you can get rid of that pop-up? Nobody wants it. So I am going to now make another post. And I'm going to ask people, because only 4 of a community care. But there are people that simply don't know what this is. And they think it's a good thing for them. How would that sound to you? As soon as you hit the record, the prompt goes away. Yeah, man, I think that's terrific. Did that scooter behind me fall? Because I didn't see. It's said that DJI didn't make the record button a half and a full press. They just made it a full press. Because imagine the half press. You could have done a lot with it. So if I was half pressing on another camera, I could get the focus in there. I could lock it, and then I could full press it. But it'd probably hurt DJI and the people that use it, because half the people wouldn't know what half press means. I said I wasn't giving any more suggestions, requests to DJI, because they don't do what I ask or what anybody asks. It's talk time. So I'm going to get up on my podium. I'm going to say, DJI, at least take the prompts away when we hit the record. How's that sound to everybody? Oh, let me do this again. DJI. The problem is, my channel's marked for entertainment and how-to. And people don't get it. They really don't. The sun's rising, but there is no sun shining. There's some clouds, a lot of clouds. Maybe it get to be a nice day, or that heavy rain that they say. And that's where the sun would be. Man, fish, how come you always shoot in portrait mode? I'm not afraid that the screen's gonna break. I just don't want to keep opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, opening. Does look a lot better when the screen's in landscape mode. I see a lot. But did you know you could consume more power keeping it in portrait mode? Oh yeah, man. What a day it is. I think I'm gonna just enjoy the rest of my ride, share the fun, get a cup of joe, and have a talk. I'm gonna head on out. I'm going to head on out of here because I had to repeat myself to make sure that the mic was on. I don't want people to miss when the prompt comes on and I don't talk, because I don't want to talk when the prompt is off. I need to be on the mic too. Don't get damp fingers or clammy fingers because you missed the shot. I said what I had to say, shared what I had to share, did what I had to do. I'm going to get on out of here and shoot a shot another day. Have a great one. I'm Fish. Catch you later.